Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the death wobble on a Ford F250. This unsettling phenomenon is a violent, uncontrollable shaking of your truck's front end, often occurring at speeds exceeding 45 miles per hour. It's not just a minor annoyance, it's a serious safety concern. We'll dive into the common culprits behind this issue, primarily focusing on worn or damaged suspension and steering components. Understanding these root causes is the first step toward a lasting solution for your F250. To effectively fix the death wobble, you must first pinpoint the exact worn components. Start by thoroughly inspecting your truck's track bar. Look for any loose bolts or deteriorated bushings. Next, check the ball joints and tie rod ends for any excessive play or movement, which can indicate significant wear. Don't forget to examine your steering stabilizer and shock absorbers for any signs of fluid leaks or damage. A careful inspection will reveal the specific parts needing attention. Once you've identified the culprits, it's time for repairs. If your track bar bushings are worn, replace them, or consider a new track bar assembly for a complete fix. Worn ball joints and tie rod ends are critical to address. Installing new, high-quality replacements will significantly tighten your steering. For an extra layer of stability, upgrading to a heavy-duty steering stabilizer can make a noticeable difference, helping to dampen vibrations and prevent future wobbles. After replacing any steering or suspension components, a professional wheel alignment is absolutely crucial to ensure your F250 tracks straight and true. Also, consistently maintain the correct tire pressure and ensure all 4 tires are properly balanced. Unbalanced tires can exacerbate or even cause wobble issues. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Regular maintenance of these areas will help keep your truck stable and safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.